Hi, this is Rick Bush with the T&D Minute. I wanted to let you know that you can find on a ridge outside Gaildorf, Germany, that Max Bogl Wind AG has installed the world's tallest wind turbines. And these things have hub heights varying from 155 to 178 meters. They are up there. And the 4 turbines combined in a year will generate up to 10 gigawatt hours. Isn't that big? That's so cool. And even cooler is that this installation was designed to include pumped hydro. And basically they have water storage facilities under each of the foundations, the tower foundations. Now that's creative. And so they can, the pools can generate an extra 70 megawatt hours of pump storage for up to 4 hours, and the electricity is generated using GE 3 megawatt class generators, and they're using cloud-based software, GE Predix cloud-based software. Now this is quite an interesting announcement on its own, but we're also seeing a combination of gas-fired generation and batteries giving the equivalent of instant black start. And we'll see a lot of other things come along. But you hear it first. 2018 is the year of storage. This has been a T&D Minute.